What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a geek. So the question is that can you make money with the Amazon affiliate marketing? Yes, can you make money with the Amazon affiliate marketing? Definitely yes. I make some good chunk of money. If you don't know, in every video I throw affiliate link. Even someone buy or someone do not buy the product, but if someone buy any another product within 24 hours, yes, one day, still I will get the commission. The downside is that Amazon the Amazon commission is quite low, to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean the Amazon commission is really, I mean, it's low, like 2 to 4%. And then it's only like, it's only like, one day, to be honest with you. It's not that much, to be honest with you. When you yeah, so I'm just getting some like pop, in my voice. So yeah, so I was just saying, Amazon is a quite good, to be honest with you, for making money. But again, you really need to work a lot hard. You really need to work a lot hard to make some good chunk of money on amazon.com. So yes, you can make, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have an affiliate website, but you need to work hard. You really need to work hard. When I say work hard, you really need to work very hard, to be honest with you. So yeah, it was me, none other than Jimmy. Make sure to subscribe and bye.